Tired of customers leaving because they can't find what they want? Learn how to add categories in your Hostinger store in under 5 minutes. So here's the plan. First, we'll open your store dashboard. Then we'll add a new category and assign your products to it. Let's dive in. All right, let's start by navigating to your store's dashboard. You're going to want to open up your Hostinger website builder. This is the main control center for your online store, and it's where all the magic happens. I'm actually using this myself for my own store, so I can show you exactly where everything is. Now locate the grid view icon. You'll see it in the sidebar on the left. It looks like a little grid of squares. Clicking that switches your view to show the backbone of your site, all your pages and sections. This is the view that lets us actually make changes to the structure of your store. From the menu that appears, select Categories. This is where you'll manage how your products are organized. Think of this as the filing system for your shop. Without it, customers are just scrolling through a giant list, which nobody wants to do. Next, click the Add Category button to create a new one. It's usually right at the top of that panel. Go ahead and click it. This tells Hostinger, hey, I want to build a new section for my products. Now click on the highlighted area to name your category. This is where you type in something like mugs or vases or gifts, whatever makes sense for your store. Just click right in that box and type it out. Keep it clear and simple so customers know exactly what they're getting. You'll see a message that says there are no products in this category. Click it. Now this is the step that a lot of people miss. When you first create a category, it's empty by default. By clicking that message, you're telling Hostinger, okay, now let me fill this category with my actual products. A menu will pop up showing all the items in your store. Just check the boxes next to the ones you want in this category. Finally, click Cancel to finish. Don't let the word cancel throw you off here. In this case, it just closes the product selection window and saves your changes. Your category is now live and attached to the products you chose. And that's it. In just a couple of minutes, you've gone from a disorganized store where customers have to hunt for everything to a well-structured shop where people can browse exactly what they're looking for. This simple change can make a huge difference in your sales. So go ahead and try it out. Thanks for watching.